The Russian Krasnodar region was under heavy attack last night. The Russian authorities speak of 66 Ukrainian drones involved in the attack. Locals reported of heavy explosions of the Slavyansk ECO refinery, which were also partially caught on video. Several oil refineries were also attacked this night in the Krasnodar territory. The Slavyansk ECO refinery, the bitumen plant, the Ilya refinery, and a number of other objects were hit. Among them a military airfield in Kushchevsk. The administration of the Slavyansk-on-Kuban districts reports that a distillation tower of the oil refinery was struck. According to reports, one oil refinery halts operations due to UAV attacks. Russian sources mention at least 10 unidentified UAVs slamming into the facility, most likely causing serious damage. Astra shares a video that supposedly shows the results of an attack on a Russian military airfield in Kushchevskaya, Krasnodar Oblast, on April 27th. The extent of the damage is unknown. It is assumed that either aircraft or other equipment of the occupiers could have been damaged. Russia, on the other side, once again launched large-scale strikes, which target the power and energy infrastructure of Ukraine, with multiple power plants in the west and center of the country already reported to have been struck by both cruise and hypersonic missiles. The Ukrainian energy company, DTEK, is reporting that 4 of their thermal power stations in the Lviv, Ivano-Frankivsk, and Dnipro regions suffered damage during last night's large-scale Russian missile attack, with the damage ranging from moderate to extremely severe. But karma is a bitch. Central Market in Nevinomysk exploded in Russian Stavropol Krai. Lucky Russian serviceman dodges an FPV drone attacking his position. Footage of a Ukrainian Air Force fighter engaging and downing a Russian drone with an air-to-air missile. A remarkably rare filmed engagement. Destruction of the Russian BMP-1 Basarmanin near the settlement, Terny Donetsk region. If we say that Ukraine is a condition for our security, that what is at stake in Ukraine is not just the country's territorial integrity, but the security of Europeans, do we have any limits? No, says French President Macron.
J'assume totalement le choix en la matière, le 26 février dernier à Paris, d'avoir réintroduit une ambiguïté stratégique. Pourquoi? Nous sommes face à une puissance qui est désinhibée, qui a attaqué un pays d'Europe, mais qui n'est plus dans une opération spéciale et qui ne veut plus nous dire quelle est sa limite. Pourquoi chaque matin devrions-nous dire, nous, quelles sont toutes nos limites stratégiquement? Si nous disons que l'Ukraine est la condition de notre sécurité, que se joue en Ukraine davantage que la souveraineté et l'intégrité territoriale de ce pays, déjà clé, mais la sécurité des Européens, avons-nous des limites? Non. Et donc nous devons être crédibles, dissuader, être présents et continuer l'effort.
I don't think we'll reach the Strait of Comrade Stalin, but we'll walk through Europe. I have no doubts about that. Russian propagandists. In their reality, there will be a Stalin Strait in the US after Russia wins. They do intend to go as far as they're allowed.
Они сидят в американском конгрессе. Вот это вот мерзость, этот Линдси Грэм. Я не могу, понимаете, я не знаю, если бы я бы его встретил, я бы ему голову скрутил бы за секунду. Мерзость просто, я даже спокойно не могу смотреть на него. Тех американских сенаторов, которые выходят, рассуждают, что они будут с нами делать, какая судьба нас ждет, понимаете? Господь Бог в лице Америки, они судьбы определяют. Вы думаете о том, что с вами произойдет? Вы думаете, чем вы закончите?
Ну, чем закончить? То, что вы, Игорь, будете в лодке рыбачить в проливе имени товарища Сталина.
Если Родина прикажет...
И говорить, ой, что это цепляется? Это же факел статуи свободы мешает.
Ну,
да?
вот, если Родина прикажет, и там будем рыбачить. И очень надеюсь, что, так сказать, до этого, ну, образно, опять-таки, до этого... Я не думаю, что мы дойдем до пролива товарища Сталина, но по Европе мы прогуляемся от Вольного. В этом у меня уже сомнений никаких нет.
The United States purchased 81 liquidated fighter jets from Kazakhstan, Su-24, MiG-29, MiG-27, with an apparent intention to supply them to Ukraine for use as airfield decoys and spare parts. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg flew a German Eurofighter for the first time at the Laga Air Base in Germany. Stoltenberg called his flight a great experience. The Secretary General did not rule out that piloting the Eurofighter is what he will do after 10 years in NATO. He added that he took the wheel twice on his own during the flight. USMC King Stallion is being refueled by a KC-130T while transporting an F-35C from the F-35 Integrated Test Force at Patuxent River to a Navy unit located at Joint Base McGuire-Dix Lakehurst, New Jersey.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.